We were coming back in a helicopter. It was four of us, two Haitians and two Americans. They wouldn't let the Haitians, the two of us who had Haitian passports, they wouldn't let us go back in the airport. They were treating it as a federal building. What is wrong with that picture? My blood literally boiled, because for years I've been told, you know, both people, IC and so forth and so on, and I've taken that with a grain of salt, and now I'm a second-class citizen, yet in my own country. It hit a nerve there. And as much as we can dance around it, the thing is, a people without power is a people without influence. In order for us to get anything done, we must become powerful. In order for us to be powerful, we must organize people, we must organize money. So all of these things, and to go back to the lady's question, what can we do? What can we do? We can actually organize. This is a form of organizing, crystallizing a vision that we can all support, and then when we come, it's not one or two people that can be brushed off, but it's a bunch of people who will not take no for an answer.
Thank you.